Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a review of two new products that I got my hands on recently, and it's going to be the review of the new L'Oreal Paris Le Bar et Blush series blushes. So let's get started with our video. I got my hands on only two blushes because I wanted to try out these things, and it's been a while that I have tried out blushes in general. A little blush can actually add a lot of innocence to your look, a lot of simplicity in your look. Now these two retail for rupees 750 each, and these are 4.5 grams each, and I got them from Nykaa. It is available on Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa and a lot more online stores, and also available across L'Oreal Paris counters in the country. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in a beautiful packaging like this. You can see there's like a gold feel to it. So I got two different shades from the range. The first one is called 16 Be Brave, and the second one is called 08 City Explorer. These two shades are very different than the blushes that I generally choose. Once you open up the packaging, I'm going to be opening up the 08 City Explorer first. It also comes with a small brush. So this is the second one, which is the 16 Be Brave. So it is a beautiful, very light gold color. It is actually a blush, but today I'm going to be using it as a highlighter because I don't feel it will work out as a blush. The packaging is surely super premium and luxurious. It's a very sturdy packaging. Of course it's heavy and it's not really unbreakable, so if it falls from your hand it's going to break, so you have to be careful. Very big mirror, and it's a very tidy looking packaging. I think it's the right price, but again it will depend on the performance at the end of the day. If it performs well, it's going to be worth it, or else it won't. Now coming on to another very important aspect of this particular collection is the fragrance. One of the prettiest fragrances for a makeup product. It's a very light floral scent, but it's like a light floral expensive scent. It smells like one of those expensive perfumes that you get. Very modern, very urban woman kind of a smell. Now both of them are monocolored blushes. So monocolored means one color blushes. So let's just swatch the first one here that we get, which is the City Explorer. I'm going to firstly do a light swatch. So let's swatch the other one now. We'll quickly swatch lightly. Whoa, it's so sparkly, dude. It looks really pretty. When I did the swatch on my hand, the pigment was okay, but when I put it on the brush, okay, there's a lot of blush. If you guys can see, apart from the lighting here, maybe I'll have to blend it out fast. It's really pigmented. I'm just going to take a little bit. The easiest way to put blush is to smile and then put it on the apples of your cheeks. That's the way you put on blush. The color is really pretty. Maybe it's not coming well on the camera. It's pretty shimmery for the color. I wish it was not that shimmery because it would have looked better on without the shimmer. It just seems like a very occasional type of a color. The color you would wear like on a wedding or some kind of a very big occasion. Really reflecting on. So when it's reflecting the light, it means it has shimmer particles in it. It's pretty shimmery. I really like the color, but I really wish they did not have the shimmer in it. The next one we're going to try out is this one. You guys can see. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. Wow, I really like it. It's nice. It's reflecting nicely, but it's not on the face. That's what I like. Let's try it out here as well. This is a really pretty highlighter. What I love about it is not on your face and it's not too blinding. The beauty trends currently is to have a very subdued and a very subtle highlighter because it helps you make that no makeup look possible. So this is a very subtle color. I think even though it's very gold, and whenever you like swatch it, it's like a lot of shiny particles on it, but I still feel that the color itself is very subdued and very subtle, so it gives out a very nice glow. And you guys can see it's very pigmented, but it's not on the face highlighter type color. So maybe perhaps because it is meant to be a blush, so maybe they made the color in such a way that it doesn't look like you put like a highlighter blob on your cheeks. so maybe that's why it's a little more subtle than your usual highlighter or very very gold shades. I really like how it worked on me. Coming to the textures of both the blushes, I feel this is one of the very light texture blushes, and I absolutely loved how light it was. The brush does pick up the color very instantly, especially this one, it picked up just instantly, and it was a lot of pigment on my cheeks, but thankfully I could blend it and then make it a little more light. The only complaint that I have with this beautiful shade here is the shimmer particles. I wish the shimmer particles were not present and it was purely a matte shade. It would have given a very nice, you know, feel or the very nice color pigment on my cheeks. Now the cheek does look good, but it has a really like very metallic sheen on it. I think this particular blush is great for weddings or any kind of big occasions where you want to like put a blush and make sure that you are on the camera and it just comes off very nice. So this is going to reflect a lot of the light. As you guys can see, the blush is reflecting the light here that I have. I think this is a blush that you would definitely get for an occasion. This is a great blush to look forward to. Also, they have a little more brighter shades in this particular range, so you can go for more darker shades if you are a person who likes brighter blushes. But for me, I generally prefer blushes which go with my skin tone, and I think this particular shade will also go with a lot of darker skin tones as well. So Indian skin tones are going to love this particular shade, and I highly recommend for people who have very dusky skin tones, because this particular shade is going to make your cheeks look really pretty with the shimmer, and also it's going to be a really nice star power kind of a blush. So really like it, and my rating for this particular blush will be a 4.8 out of 5. The pigmentation is amazing. It blends beautifully with the brush. It's very easily blendable. The color payoff is very nice and makes you look really nice and glowy. So love this one. So now coming to the second one, which is this one, which is the blush that we used as a highlighter. I think I really love this one. Now if you are trying to use it as a blush, I'm not really sure how it's going to come off. I did not try it as a blush because I felt like it won't really match me as a blush. I do prefer a little more pigmentation in terms of blushes, so I don't really like metallic blushes per se. Now this one as a highlighter is one of the best. I loved how light the pigment is. Now the pigmentation is not very strong or on the face with this particular color. This shade is more subtle and subdued and comes off as a very natural and very light kind of a highlighter on your face, and that is very pretty. The texture is beautifully light and very easy to blend. Texture wise, I do like that other blush more than this one, but color wise and how the look comes off, this one is really pretty. So my rating for this particular blush or cum highlighter is 5 out of 5. Definitely recommended. All Indian skin tones are going to love this shade because it's going to match most of the Indian skin tones, so highly recommended for all you guys. When I use the blushes, I do really feel that these are products that I would generally use. Over the years, I have come to realize that even when L'Oreal is a drugstore brand, there are loads of products from their range, especially the newer ones, which are, you know, formulated in a way that they are very premium, and I really like the texture and the feel of the products. I've been using L'Oreal since years now and I've fallen in love with the range. They also have a lot more shades in this particular range. I would recommend you to try at least one of these products and you will fall in love with these. And with that, we are done with today's video. Hope you guys really found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on social media, please go ahead and follow me on all my social media channels. All the links will be down in the description box below. I'll also be linking down the product links for both of these in the description box, so in case you want to check out, see the products or purchase any of them or both of them, you can go ahead and do it from the links below. Hope you guys are staying at home and are at quarantine. Please stay at home, be happy, be positive and be healthy. Ciao.